Hello, everyone. Today, I have an inspiring story for you. It's not just for listening practice, but also to remind you that hard work and persistence can transform lives. This story is called The Power of Persistence, and it's about a young woman named Mia who refused to let her circumstances define her future. Mia was 22 years old and lived in a bustling coastal town. She had big dreams of becoming a successful fashion designer, but life wasn't easy for her. Her family struggled to make ends meet. Her father, Carlos, was a fisherman, and her mother, Elena, worked as a seamstress. Mia's younger brother, Luca, was 12 and admired her creativity, often calling her his art hero. One evening, as Mia sat by the shore watching the waves, she whispered to herself, "I want to create something beautiful, something that will make my family proud. But how do I start when we can barely afford the basics?" The next day, Mia shared her dreams with her mother. Elena smiled gently and said, "Mia, dreams don't come for free. If you want something, you have to work for it. Start with what you have, even if it's small." Mia thought deeply about her mother's words. Then an idea struck her. She noticed that many people in her town loved unique handmade accessories, but couldn't afford the expensive ones sold in the city. Mia decided to create her own line of accessories using recycled materials. There was just one problem. She didn't have the tools or materials to start. Determined, Mia approached a local craftsman named Mr. Rossi, who was known for his skill in making jewelry. She explained her idea and asked, "Mr. Rossi, can you lend me some tools and materials? I'll create my designs, sell them, and pay you back with my first earnings." Mr. Rossi raised an eyebrow. "Why should I trust you, young lady?" he asked. Mia replied confidently, "Because I'm passionate and I'll work harder than anyone to prove myself." After a moment of silence, Mr. Rossi nodded. "All right, I'll give you a chance, but if you fail to pay me back, don't come asking for help again." Mia was thrilled. The next day, she started creating her designs. She used old fabric, broken jewelry, and even seashells she collected from the beach. Her first collection included colorful bracelets, necklaces, and hairpins. She set up a small stall near the town square and greeted everyone with a warm smile. "Handmade accessories, unique and affordable," she called out. At first, people were hesitant. They weren't sure if her designs were worth buying. But Mia offered free samples and explained the story behind each piece. Slowly, she gained her first customers. By the end of the week, she had sold all her creations and made a small profit. She returned to Mr. Rossi and paid him back as promised. From that day on, Mia worked tirelessly. She woke up early, spent hours designing, and sold her accessories with passion. After a few months, she saved enough money to buy her own tools and materials. One day, a customer suggested, "Mia, your designs are beautiful, but have you thought about creating clothes? You're so talented." This idea excited Mia, but it also scared her. She had never designed clothes before. This was the moment she realized that success doesn't come for free. "If I want to grow, I have to take risks and learn," she told herself. Mia decided to ask her mother for help. Elena had years of experience as a seamstress and agreed to teach her. The lessons weren't easy. Mia struggled at first. Her stitches were uneven, and her designs didn't turn out as she imagined. One day, after ruining a piece of fabric, Mia sat down, feeling defeated. "Maybe I'm not cut out for this," she thought. But then she remembered her mother's words, "Dreams don't come for free." She realized that every mistake was a lesson. Giving up wasn't an option. With renewed determination, Mia practiced every day. Slowly, her skills improved. She started creating simple dresses and skirts, and soon her customers were asking for more. Her little stall became a popular spot in the town. However, success wasn't without challenges. One day, a new boutique opened in town, offering trendy clothes at low prices. Mia noticed her sales dropping and felt a wave of fear. What if I lose everything I've worked for? She wondered. Instead of giving up, Mia decided to adapt. She asked her customers for feedback and learned what they loved about the boutique. Some said the boutique had modern designs, while others liked the affordable prices. Mia realized she needed to innovate. Using her creativity, Mia started incorporating local cultural elements into her designs. She also introduced a custom design service, allowing customers to request personalized pieces. Slowly, her customers returned, appreciating the uniqueness of her work. Months passed, and Mia's business grew. She saved enough money to rent a small shop, which she named Mia's Creations. Her family helped her. Luca assisted with packaging, and her mother managed the sewing. The shop became a symbol of hope and hard work in the town. But life wasn't done testing Mia. One day, a storm damaged her shop, ruining much of her inventory. Mia felt heartbroken but refused to give up. She stood outside her shop and told her customers, "This is just another challenge. I've faced struggles before, and I'll face this one too." With the support of her community, Mia rebuilt her shop. People donated materials, and some even volunteered to help with repairs. Mia realized that when you work hard and never give up, people notice and want to help. On the day of her shop's reopening, the town gathered to celebrate. The mayor said, "Mia, you've shown us all that with determination, anything is possible." Mia smiled and replied, "I've learned that nothing in life is free. Success, respect, and love must be earned through hard work and persistence. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger." Mia's story teaches us: 1. Dreams require hard work and sacrifice. 2. Failure is not the end, it's a chance to learn. 3. When you help yourself, others will support you. 4. Never give up, because the toughest moments often lead to the greatest successes. Mia didn't just build a business, she built a life filled with purpose, pride, and inspiration. And so can you. Whatever your dream is, keep chasing it. Remember, nothing is free, but everything is possible.